First, I would like to say rest in peace to that pin. What's up, everybody? This video, we're going to be repairing this wheel hub. I'm going to replace it with a regular pin. Put this heat shrink tubing around the end. I'm going to try to do at least 2 layers to try to help keep that pin in, because the only thing that's going to hold the pin in is the screw that goes inside the hub. So let's get this started. Gotta excuse the lighting, I have to wear a headlamp. Put a little bit of thread lock, little blue on here. You always want to clean the threads off before you apply a thread lock. I'm pretty sure everybody knows that. I bought this tubing, this heat shrink tubing from eBay. It's let's see if I get this right, 1 1/4 inch diameter, which is, I guess, 30 millimeters. It was like, I forget how much it cost. It wasn't expensive, but it gave you like this 4-foot length. I'm gonna try to use about this much. Yeah, as I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by my GoPro battery dying. Got the Baja 5B out, fixed the hubs. I ain't about to start it up. Yeah. I thought I was recording before too, but I wasn't. So that's one thing I don't like about the GoPro. Sometimes I'm swearing recording and I'm not. That's why I use the phone a lot. These rear spikes are holding up good too. I hope I'm catching all of this. This engine's all right. Just looking for an excuse to replace the engine, that's all, y'all. Ain't nothing even wrong with it. Whoa. hella grass in like in the chassis or underneath the engine. I was trying to get it out of there, but whatever. Let's just fill it back up more with more grass. Shock collars keep spinning back up from all the vibration. I don't want to put the GPS tracker on here because I know that I'm going to be disappointed in the real speed. It's going to make me really do more work to it. I'm just trying to enjoy it the way it is. Like the old folks say, be happy with what you got. Except for these shocks on here. I don't know why. I mean, I don't know how to make them better. Because I would instead of replacing them. Let's look at them now. I had fun. The only thing I broke were these two wing mounts so far that I could see. And these shock collars keep loose, they keep spinning back up. Yeah. So it looks like I'm gonna have to go online. Probably go like DDM or something like that. Try to find something for this, some type of suspension for this, because this not gonna work. That's part of the reason why I was flipping, is it won't like stay stable on two wheels. So I'm about to clean this up, put it in the car, take it back to the house. Appreciate everybody for joining me. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna bring out next, because I know these next couple days gonna be pretty warm. So probably run some nitro or something like that. But catch y'all next time. Peace.